In late July, workers used cables to lower dismantled parts of the Soviet Union emblem to the ground. The largest piece, the crossed hammer and sickle, was removed on the 1st of August. On the 5th of August, work started on lifting up the 500-kilogram trident, but it was stopped by adverse weather and an aerial attack warning. Not only do we have to guarantee resistance on the actual front line, but also put up a successful fight on the ideological and cultural front line. The dismounted elements have historical value. They're important for researching the 40 years during which the Soviet emblem was on this monument, and specifically for researching the years during which Ukraine was part of the Soviet Union. It was a cultural shift towards a stronger Ukrainian self-identity, accompanied by a recent political tilt towards the West that infuriated Russian President Vladimir Putin and was used, in part, as his justification for invading Ukraine. Kyiv says the invasion is an imperial mission to recreate the Soviet Union. During the Maidan Revolution of 2014, demonstrators brought down statues of Soviet hero Vladimir Lenin, rejecting authoritarianism and communism and demanding closer ties with the European Union. Streets and squares previously named after Soviet party leaders or generals were given new names after Ukraine outlawed Soviet symbols in 2015, the year after Russia annexed Crimea and backed separatist proxies in the country's east.